In this video, you are going to learn 5 YouTube niches that will be affected by AI in 2026. And I'm also going to give you another 5 niches as well that you can focus on that are going to blow up because of AI in 2026. Greetings once again. Welcome to 0 to 1000 side hustle. So yeah, today in this video, I'm just going to share with you some issues to do with AI. AI is a good thing, is a revolution that's happening, and is coming up with good things that we like, in our communities, in our lives, in everything that we do in business, and everything is revolutionizing everything. But while it's doing all this, there are going to be some drawbacks in some areas. So you find out there are some YouTube niches that will be affected by AI, but also there are some other YouTube niches that will even blow up because of AI. So I'm going to list you some of those niches. So the first niche that is going to be affected is the copy and paste and those gossip news channels. You find out that these YouTube channels that focus on these news and gossip and all those other things will actually be affected because AI has now gotten better in coming up with better news, better everything, clear content that even you will not even believe, it's AI that has made that video. So these niches are going to be affected. So if you are in the news, niche, gossip items, gossip niches, please continue in this video, and I'm sure I'm gonna show you at the end of this video what you can do in your niche, or what are the niche that you can jump into. The second one is the, those basic tutorial videos where you just be giving basic information or basic knowledge. You find out that these niches are going to be affected. Reason being that people can now just go on ChatGTP, they can now just Google on AI, they can now just Google and find out all the tutorials that they need about anything. So you find out that if you are mainly focusing on these niches where you're just giving people those basic tutorials, you find out that your niche is going to be affected in 2026. So it's time that you need to look at another niche that can help you grow and scale up with your content. So the other one is just the faceless voiceover channels. So you find out that these faceless voiceover channels or niches will be affected big time by AI, because AI will now be coming and bringing like an avatar. Is gonna be coming, bringing a picture, bringing an image, bringing a human like image to that channel. Meaning to say that if you are just there as a faceless channel, you'll find out that you will no longer be be valid in 2026, because AI will be able to do it better than you can ever do it. So you find out that if you are in that section, if you are in that niche, please, you need to figure out what other niche you can go up with. So you find out also those high volume, low effort short videos are also going to be affected big time, because AI can actually create all this and actually do this even better than how humans can ever do. It can create all those low quality, small, repetitive content. So you find out that if you are in this niche, you just need to move to another niche that can help you grow your YouTube channel. And lastly, this can be controversial, but those generic music covers, background music channels are now going to be affected, because AI is now coming out with better versions of music covers, better versions of background, music. So you find out that if you are in this area where you are creating voiceovers, where you are creating those background musics, you find out that AI is going to take over your niche. AI is going to take over your content. So you need to figure out what other content can you be able to do in that space. But anyway, hope is not all lost. I'm now going to give you another 5 YouTube niches that are going to blow up because of AI in 2026. So the first one is that of AI in education and how to channels with AI. So you find out that because AI is blowing up, AI is coming up, you find out that there will be a lot of knowledge search from people all over the world are trying to find out how AI works, how they can use AI in their businesses, how they can use AI in their schools, how they can use AI in their houses. So if you are able to explain how AI can work in different settings, how you can use AI to edit videos, how you can use AI, to put commentary, or all those things that AI can do, you find out that this is going to blow up. So if you are into videos that can help people to understand AI and to use AI in a better way, you find out that you are in the right section. So that niche is going to blow up in 2026. So if you want to a niche, if you didn't know any niche that you can use, go to the AI educational and how to AI. So you find out that this is going to blow up in 2026. So you need to go there. Then AI for business and side hustles. Remember, we are always talking about side hustles and how you can start. And AI is one of those tools that you can use if you want to scale up your business. If you want to make money, you can actually use AI. So you find out that anything to do with AI, a lot of businesses would want to know that information. A lot of businesses would want to know how they can use AI for their HR, how they can use AI for their payroll, how they can use AI for different systems in their business. So if you are in the know-how, if you know an AI system that can help a company to scale up and to be in a better place, you are in the right niche. Focus on that. Start creating videos, start creating content, giving people strategies of how they can use AI to change their life, to change their situation. And I can assure you that niche is going to blow up and you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of views. You're going to make a lot of impact with AI. The next one will be AI in healthcare. While this AI is coming up, there's a lot of questions coming up to say, how will AI affect healthcare? How will AI affect the care industry? How will AI affect, the health sector? So you find out that a lot of information will be required by people wanting to know how AI is going to affect, their care business, how AI is going to affect their support business, how AI is going to affect their hospital or their different clinics, and, their dentists, their I don't know how to call it, the optician. So you find out if you can be able to get all those different niches that can explain how AI will be used in the healthcare sector, this is going to be the information that people will be searching for on YouTube. So, and you have this know-how. If you have this information, you are going to get, valid content that will be helping people out there. So if you know more about how AI is going to affect the health sector, how AI is going to affect, different sectors of the health sector, of the health industry, please, that content will be required in 2026. So you need to start making that content. The next one will be the behind scenes content of how you're using AI. Like, let's say if you are an editor, how you're using AI to edit your YouTube videos, how you're using AI to edit maybe videos for your clients or videos for different things that you are doing, or how you're editing pictures using AI, how you're creating thumbnails using AI. You find out that if you can be able to do videos and send them out there, people will be wanting to know how AI can be used, in different sections, in different areas, in different, workspaces. People want to know how they can actually use AI to make that content. So if you are having this know-how of how to use and to utilize AI for the best way, you find out that you're going to blow up in these different sectors. So the last one that I want to talk about is AI powered entertainment and interactive content. So you find out that, if you can be able to create new stories, shows, and audience controlled content, with AI, you need to make sure that your content that you are creating with AI, you have to also to have another human element on the side. And if you can be able to integrate yourself and AI, you find out that your content will resonate well with people out there. Because people, in as much as they like AI, they still want that, human element aspect, to be shown in that video. So if you can be able to integrate yourself and AI, you find out that you actually be able to, to help a lot of people. A lot of people would want to see your content. A lot of people would want to know how you can use, AI, in how you are also utilizing AI and everything. The faceless channels will still be able to make it out there, but it will be better if there will be a human element in that faceless channel of yours. So you find out that it is going to people, what they would want is just to see if there's a human element, a human touch in whatever it is that you'll be doing with AI. So these are very, very important things that you need to understand. So is maybe someone will be asking me, is AI going to replace creators? I don't think so. It will replace them eventually, but for now, creators will still be relevant, but they need to take advantage of this AI revolution to use and to scale up their content, to scale up how they're doing and how they're using their content, because you find out that as we are moving towards AGI with AI, you find out a lot of things AI is going to be able to do this for us. So it's going to, cannibalize a lot of other niches, a lot of other channels that you already know and that are very popular now. AI is going to affect a lot of them, but it is up to you now to make sure you are in a space where you are ready to say, okay, I can do this maybe in a different way, or I can do this in that other way. So if you want to survive a new week on YouTube in 2026, learn how to use AI. Find ways of how you can use AI in this year 2026. Thank you so much. In the next video that I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can use AI and how you can make money with AI. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you in the next video.